A common question people ask is, where can I find some good font collections to add to Graphic Tracer? One suggestion is simply to search for font collections that you can purchase or download for free on the web. Sometimes you can find font packs included with clip art collections, or you might even check out graphic software you already own. Older versions of CorelDRAW used to come with a CD or DVD that was full of fonts. If you have a current version of CorelDRAW, there are free fonts that can be downloaded. You can use these fonts to easily expand your font library. By adding these free fonts that are included with CorelDRAW, you can have more than 1,000 additional fonts that can be used for text replacement in vectorized logos and other graphics. In CorelDRAW, click on the Text tool, and then click the drop-down list for the selecting fonts. And in the top right corner of the list, you're going to see a little arrow pointing down, and this is the Get More button. Depending upon which CorelDRAW version you're running, you might find the freely included fonts in different ways. Uncheck the box that says Fonts and then select the box that says Free. To install a free font pack, click on it and then on Download. Click on it again once it's finished downloading to install the fonts. These fonts are now active in CorelDRAW. The fonts, however, are not installed in Windows, so right now you're not going to be able to use these fonts in any other program than CorelDRAW. To add these newly downloaded fonts into Graphic Tracer, select the options and then click on the Fonti tab. Click on the Add New button and then click the Browse button to locate the folder for the fonts you've just downloaded. The CorelDRAW fonts will be found in Documents/Corel/Corel-Content/Fonts. Select this folder and click OK, and then name the font collection anything you want, such as Corel Fonts. Then click on Create. Graphic Tracer will now build a database of these fonts. Once the font database is built, the new font package will show up at the bottom of the list in green. This means that these fonts can now be used to quickly clean up and replace text by Graphic Tracer. Here is a vectorized logo which uses a font from the free Corel font package. When Graphic Tracer has identified the font, you can simply click Replace to make it perfect.